Hey, I want to make a new keyboard for my company, but I don't know what new or different I can do. You don't have to invent anything new. All the products that you know and use, like your iPhones, Teslas, Dysons, they didn't reinvent the wheel. They just picked existing tech and made it easy to use for everyone. So you are saying that none of that stuff is new? Yeah, pretty much. It's all about using the right technology at the right time. You need to fulfill a genuine user need and fill a gap in the market. But if you pick the wrong one, you get failures like your Google Glass, exploding Samsung batteries, or the Segway. Yeah, I don't want to lose that much money. Exactly, you don't want to be on that list. So before you even think or sketch a new design, you have to research what technology is out there and what you can use for your product. Okay, but how? See, every product starts with a real problem. You have to learn who you're designing for and why they need it. From that, you will get a list of user needs. You can know more about this topic from this video about design research right here. So if I'm making keyboard, I should talk to actual keyboard users. Exactly. Talk to gamers, office workers, coders, or everyday people. Find out what frustrates them about keyboards. Are they annoyed by the loud typing? Do they need tactile feedback? Or do they hate those mushy keystrokes? Okay, let's say gamers want fast response and click sound, while office folks want quiet keys. It's perfect. Write those things down. Maybe your gamers care about durability and anti-ghosting. Office workers might want an affordable price. The first step is collecting all these insights so at least you know what exactly you are solving. Okay, then what's next? Now that you have a list of all the user needs, you look at the tech that's already out there. So for keyboards, you might look at mechanical switches, membrane switches, scissor switches, or optical switches. Each switch works differently. Mechanical switches gives that nice click and quick feedback. Membrane boards are quieter and cheaper. Scissor switches are slim and stable. And optical switches offer lightning fast response. Okay, and how do I figure out which is the best? Research. Open up a few keyboards, check patents, read old forums, and even watch teardown videos to see how they work. And while doing all these things, keep an eye on the right materials and manufacturing processes used by others. So if I want a thin and quiet keyboard, I'd probably pick up membrane or scissor. And if I want a high-end gaming keyboard, I'd go mechanical or optical, right? Yeah, that's about right. But now you combine user needs with available tech while keeping an eye on cost, practicality, and future-proofing. And what if I want to make the thinnest and the most silent keyboard? I don't think that you should go for the thinnest or the smoothest. Usually, it doesn't end well. Look at Apple's butterfly keyboard fiasco. They wanted a slim design at all costs and ignored all user needs. Result? It backfired. Users hated it, and eventually, they have to go back to a more reliable design. But if I'm just using the same old technology like everyone else, why would anyone buy my keyboards? That's where concept generation kicks in. Researching existing tech doesn't mean that you can't innovate. You have to find ways to solve a problem that nobody else is addressing. You can add some new features or give your keyboard a look and feel that stands out. Wow, and how can I do that? That we'll see in the next video. Stay tuned.